Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas Spider-Man. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon Christmas Spider-Man, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start up here, and we just want to begin by making a line that's going to come down with a curve. Then we're going to bring this back up with a curve. Now, starting here, we're going to make some bumpy lines right across here. You can see these are kind of like smiley face shaped. Then we're going to make a line that comes up on each side. And then we're going to make some more bumps in a sad face shape that come right across. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come back. And then we're going to leave some space, and this time we're going to draw a line that's going to go up. Then we're going to curve over and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go over, and then it's going to come up to a point. And then we're just going to curve down and connect to here. Then we're going to add some little bumpy lines on here to make the end of the hat. Now, starting here, we want to make the arm. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down. And right here, we're going to make another line come down. I'm going to add a little curved line here for the thumb, and a little line down. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around, and it's going to come over and up to here. And then we're going to draw a little line that's going to come over. Now, starting over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to curve around. We're going to make a little line that comes in. And we're going to make another little curved line here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve around. And a little line that's going to come in. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to go down. We're going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come down, and then we're going to go up like this. And then we're going to come in here to connect. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around. And then in here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve out, and that's going to come back in. Then we're going to start here, and we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve up and in like this. Then we're going to draw another little line that's just going to curve to here. And then we're just going to connect this line here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve around. Now we want to add his kind of little satchel that he's carrying. So we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up. It's going to come down and back. And we're going to curve it around here. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go right to the hat. Then we're going to make it jump over the hat and come down to here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line across and another little line across. And up here, we're going to make a line across and another line across. Then we're going to make some little lines here, so it looks like he's kind of wearing a sweater. So we're just going to make a few little lines here. We're going to connect this line to here, and I'm going to draw another line up. And then we'll make some more little lines coming across. Starting here, we'll draw a little line for part of the suit. And over here, we'll draw a little curved line for part of the suit. Now we're going to make the face, and we're just going to draw a little line that comes up. We're going to make a little circle shape in here, and we're going to draw a little line that comes down. And we're going to draw a line here and a line here. Then we're going to make a line that comes up and over, another one that goes over. I'm going to make a line that comes right above the eye, and another one's going to pop above the eye here. Then starting here, we're going to draw that same shape right inside of here of the eye, and we're going to do the same thing over here, just kind of draw that same shape. Then right here on the feet, we'll add a couple little curved lines, and we'll add a couple lines that come up. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll add a couple curved lines on the feet, and then this time we're going to make some that just kind of curve around. And then on the hands too, we'll make a few that come up, and then some that come across. A few more here, and then some that come across. Now we're going to make him swinging from some Christmas lights. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve around. We're going to come down to here. And then we're just going to kind of curve it around. Then in all these Christmas lights, we're just going to put some little oval shapes on each one. You kind of put them all over the place. I like to do one on each side. And we're just going to put it all around here. Just like this. Then on the face here, we're just going to draw some little lines that are just going to connect all these other little lines. So we're just going to draw some lines that just kind of connect it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Christmas Spider-Man. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.